Get Talking Chinese, also known as Easy Peasy Chinese in the UK. You want to see what's inside? Hi, my name's Kwadwo, creator here at Elementary Chinese, where I teach you the everyday Chinese you need to get what you want. And sometimes on this channel, I do book reviews. And I also interview other expats here in China so that you can learn the tips that helped us learn Chinese. So if you like this content, consider subscribing. And at any time during this book review, check out the links that I made way down there in the descriptions. That way you can see what other reviewers thought on Amazon and see other video reviews that I made. Let's get started. Get Talking Chinese. So this isn't a textbook. We're gonna call this a phrase book plus. Hey, do you like books that are heavy on grammar more, or books that are more about learning words? Tell me down in the comments way below. Yes, that is an audio CD, which I most definitely recommend you make use of. Sounds explained for us regular folks. The Q sound is sort of like the ch sound in cheese. Now these sound explanations aren't perfect, but they will get you close enough to the right sounds in Chinese. There's a lot of books I reviewed. Head over to elementarychinese.com/books to get them all in one place so you can decide which one's the best for you. First thing I noticed about this book is that every chapter is full of useful information that you'll actually need for day-to-day life here in China. If you've been to my online course, speakeverydaychinese.com, then you know that I'm all about teaching you the useful Chinese you need, because we don't have enough life to waste time learning the Chinese that's not actually used, right? Ooh, look, see, big numbers that actually matter, like 1 million, because when you go to the bank and you ballin', you got to be able to say that. And audio for each page. Practical content. I have not seen, at least that I remember, a book that so clearly explained the different kinds of train travel. And honestly, I haven't felt as excited about a book since I reviewed this bad boy right here, link right up there. Okay, seriously, it's like what you need in day-to-day life, but organized in a way that you can actually use. It's kind of like they wrapped my mentality into a book for learning. It's like a visual picture dictionary. I reviewed one of those up in there. Just what you need. And these are actually sports that Chinese people usually do. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more tips and reviews from me. Click or tap the screen up there if you want to see Integrated Chinese, the other book that got me this excited. Tap or click the screen down there for another video from Elementary Chinese. Till next time, this is Kwadwo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to get what you want. Good study. Day up.